Welcome everyone. My name is Nick Hershey. I'm the president of the Mortgage Calculator. We are a lender that is different than any other lender out there. So I'd like to thank everybody for joining us so we can look through a little bit about what makes us unique and special. So I'll do a short presentation, and then we'll pass it over to Kyle Hershey, our COO, who will actually show the back end and some of the software we developed and how all our lead programs work. So let me start here today by sharing my screen. Now, hopefully most of you have checked out this page, but I'm going to explain a little bit more about what we mean. So as I said before, we are not your traditional mortgage lender. So we come from a background in marketing and technology, and we are truly a mortgage technology company. So we've written every line of code for everything you're about to see. And it is a full proprietary lending platform, which includes a CRM POS LOS, and of course has AI built in every step of the way, which basically allows new or veteran loan officers to scale their business instantly. You can just plug into our system and generate more leads every day from the activities you're already doing. So let's talk about how this happens. First off, the business model. So we're approved with over 135 total lenders and investors. That includes 28 non-del correspondent, where we are the lender, funding loan with our own funds, using our non-del correspondent partner to underwrite the loans, and 122 wholesale brokered partners where we can broker the loans to. What that means is we're always going to have the best rates and pricing. Typically, that's going to be at one of the 5,000 plus in-house loan programs where we are the lender, funding the loans with our non-del correspondent partners there. And if there's any reason we can't do that, we want to make sure we have a wholesale brokered partner to go with. That way we have access to every loan program that exists in the market. So we have everything from conventional VA, USDA, FHA, non-QM, DSCR. Those are the types of deals we fund in-house. Once we start going a little bit outside the box, commercial, fix and flip, ground up, mixed use, CDFI, SBA, things like that, those are the types of deals we partner with a wholesale brokered partner. Again, what's important is we have a home for every deal that comes through the door. And how do we make this all happen? Again, it's all about our proprietary lending platform. So we've written every line of code for everything you're about to see. And it all starts with our AI-powered lead generating website. This is just one page of it, of course, you're looking at now. But it is a fully integrated POS, CRM, and LOS, which Kyle will show you a little bit more behind the scenes here in a second. What's important for everybody here on the call to understand: one login for you as a loan officer, one login for your customer, no matter which one of the hundreds of different lenders, banks, or investors, or thousands of different loan programs. There's just one place for you and your customer at all times. And with our system, we can pull instant rate quotes from our 5,000 plus in-house loan programs where we're the lender, and even get automatic updates as the rates change throughout the day. And with our system here, our prospects can come in with just a name, email, phone number, to pulling their own live rates, completing their own 1003, pulling their own credit, and getting that synced into our system with a fully completed 1003 ready to originate without you guys lifting a finger. And we're able to do that with all of our API integrations, over 50 integrations with all the technology partners you might be used to. So we have an Encompass-based LOS system. No need to log into Encompass, though. You can control it fully with our system. We use Optimal Blue for pricing, industry standard there, but you just have to click a few buttons. No login is needed. And we have 5 AMCs integrated into the platform. No login is needed. Just click the button. You get the point there. Everything is just a click away. We also have our proprietary Calvin AI built into our dual AWS. So a lot of platforms have dual AWS, Fannie and Freddie underwriting side by side. We take that a step further, run that through our AI to see which is going to be best for our borrower in that exact situation. We also use our AI to go over all our different conditional approval updates. So they analyze that approval, instantly request all the documents from our borrower that are needed, and do things with our AI assist feature like request updates from title, insurance, etc. So our AI is always working to close your loan every step of the way. And we are all remote here, so we want to make sure we have all of our trainings and support at your fingertips at all times. Now, typically that's going to be in our online training and learning center, basically our classroom. It's open 24/7, 365. You can jump in there, take new courses, upgrade your skills. We do have a partnership with a mortgage school as well, so you can take new state licenses, add more states to your license if you need that, or if you're not licensed yet, you can use our discount there to get your license. And of course, we have discounts on your yearly CE as well. So great opportunity for everybody to use our partnership there. We also have thousands of hours of recorded videos on everything you would need, from structuring loans, clearing conditions, at your fingertips at all times. And if you need real-time support, we have that in our Zoom room. We can all get face-to-face with you via Zoom, take over your screen, click those buttons for you, and you see those are during extended business hours there. We also have our Calvin Compliance AI program with all the federal and state regulations, so you can always get an instant compliance answer 24/7. And now the final category here, definitely can close any type of loan in our 31 licensed states, and we do have 5 more applications pending. But what we are very passionate about is closing our DSCR business purpose loans. We can do that in 16 additional states with no license required. So that is 47 total states in the US, that we can do DSCR business purpose loans in. So great opportunity for everybody to expand your footprint without necessarily having to get more licenses. We also have all kinds of different ways we integrate with leads. So all kinds of company leads. Kyle will show you here in a second. Just understand it's a simple 50-50 split when we go over the comp. And if you want to generate leads at your own full compensation, you can do that. Purchase your own leads, take our campaigns, copy them, put your budget on them, and that way you can earn full comp. Or if you already know how to generate leads and are generating those, you can import those in real time with our webhook API and get those integrated into our system. And we also have a button you can click anytime to refer deals to your teammates. So maybe you're not licensed in that state, maybe you've never done that loan type before. Click that button, earn 75 basis points working with your teammates there. And since we are all remote here, we love to meet everybody in person at least once per year. We do our annual retreat and VIP yacht party here in Miami, come with a hotel room for our team. And it's a great weekend of events, including past speakers like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank and Marcus Lemonis from The Profit. So great chance to meet everybody in person at least once per year. And now let's review the compensation plans. So first up here on the left, our standard loan officer comp plan. You can earn up to 200 basis points. That's 150 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 1.5% of the loan amount commission for those not familiar with basis points. And a simple 50-50 split on leads means 75 basis points or 0.75% commission on any company leads. And you still have access to the button at any time to click to refer deals to your teammates for 75 basis points or 0.75% commission. And you can earn 50 basis point bonus for any volume over 2 million. Once you plug into our system, we want to get as much comp back to you as we can once you scale up your business. And there are no monthly fees or transaction fees on this plan. It does include everything, the website, lead generating website, CRM, POS, LOS, AI, everything is included there. Now our new plan over here, Loan Officer Unlimited on the right, allows our loan officers that want to take their business into their own hands to earn up to 100% commission. So when we charge our customers 275 basis points, you can earn up to 275 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 2.75% of the loan amount commission. And simple 50-50 split again means 137.5 basis points or 1.375% of the loan amount commission for any company leads. And you still have access to click that button at any time to refer deals to your teammates for 75 basis points. And some cool features on this plan include our automated daily social media posts, which help you generate leads automatically every day. And we call this Loan Officer Unlimited because it is truly unlimited transactions with no transaction fees. We simply charge a $2.99 per month platform fee to enable you to keep 100% of your commission. So 2 different ways to structure your business here as a loan officer. You can feel free to click the button here, get the full breakdown on the plan that is applicable for you. But let's go ahead and pass it over to Kyle here, who can actually show some of the back end and the system we've developed. So you ready, Kyle?
Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen here. And just want to point out a few features of our system here. You'll see, just like any other CRM, you can take your notes, send your emails, send your text from here, but you can also click here to have our AI assistant do that for you. You can set reminders for yourself. You can put people on action plans, drip campaigns to automatically text and email them over time, all that kind of good stuff that a lot of other CRMs do. But what really starts to set our system apart is our quoting system. So within 2 minutes of getting off the phone with your client, with putting in a few pieces of info without needing to pull credit or anything, you can click this button to pull up all the rates from all of our different outlets. You can select the rates you want to show your client, and then within 2 minutes of getting off the phone with them, you can send them a nice quote that looks like this, where they can see their different rate choices you chose. They can scroll over these things to see what they mean. You'll see it automatically pulled in the Google map, the Zestimate, the property taxes, the insurance quote here, as well as the automatic breakdown of the taxes, insurance, HOA, lender fees. And if we scroll down here to the bottom of the quote, not only are you here on the quote as the loan originator, but you can also attach your realtors to the quotes as well. So the realtors who refer you deals, they absolutely love this because they know when they send you a client, not only can you quote them within minutes with this cool quoting system, but you can add the realtor to the quote as well. And the best part about this whole process is your client can click Start My Loan Application at any time that they would like. And what that does is takes them right to their borrower portal, which looks like this, where they can start their 1003 application right here. They don't have to leave the page, upload the documents we're going to need. They can see their loan info here. They can see the milestone of where their loan is currently at, which updates automatically as you go through the loan process. So your client has everything they need here in their borrower portal. Now, let me show you what it looks like on your portal in the back end of the POS LOS system here. You'll notice on your end, it says this loan application is 100% complete. And what that means is that we not only accepted the application, but we actually pulled credit, because we pull credit instantly and automatically. So your client doesn't have to put in their credit card info or anything and stop the application process. They submit their application, we pull credit. So by the time you come in here and click the Encompass API to start originating the loan, not only is the 1003 already imported into here, but the credit is already pulled and imported, the liabilities are already imported. So everything is here ready for you to originate the loan. Now, I want to point out the dual laws that Nick was talking about here. You can click one button to do the automated underwriting with Fannie and Freddie at the same time, side by side, and then our AI actually analyzes it for you to let you know what's going to be best for your client in this specific scenario. Now, once your loan is in underwriting, if we scroll down here on your same portal, you get your underwriting conditions. So whether it's your processor or you can come in here, upload all the conditions, or maybe you need to dispute the condition and kick it back to the underwriter, whatever the case is, everything is here for you. So you see, this is how we can take somebody from being just a lead, a name, email, phone number, to communicating with them in the CRM, quoting them, gathering their application, pulling their credit, gathering their documents, originating the loan, fulfilling the conditions. All of this happens in one system from start to finish with one login for you and one login for your client. So now let's talk about where these leads come from in the first place. We have more of a marketing and technology background, so we don't purchase leads from third parties. All of our leads are exclusive from our own ad campaigns. And what happens is when somebody clicks on one of our ads, like I have like an example of maybe a bank statement ad we would run, and they double click, they click on it, they double opt in to be contacted, and you are sent a text message immediately. So I have a little screenshot here of my test account where you'll see the different text messages coming in each time somebody requests more info on that loan type. So as soon as they opt in to be contacted, you're sent the text message. And you'll see throughout the day here, I have different leads coming in. I have some DSCR leads, have some regular purchase leads. You'll also see I have some of these that say hot quotes. And what those are people who not only requested more information about a loan program, they actually gave us the info to send them a quote on that type of loan. So those are the hot quotes that are coming in as well. So that's what your phone would look like throughout the day, the text coming in with the live leads. Now, another way we provide you with leads is through our auto dialer. So just like any other auto dialer, you can call 300-400 people in a day. If they don't answer, you can press one button, which drops an automated text and email to them on your behalf, and then moves right on to the next call. So you can call hundreds of people in a day, dropping those messages, and we provide the leads in here for you. So there's always thousands of leads in here for you to call at all times. And these are not a bunch of cold call lists. Most of these are opted in leads. We also have lists like realtor lists where you could call hundreds of realtors in a day to build those referral relationships. So there's always calls for you to do here in the auto dialer. Now, another way you can get leads is that if you want to do your own lead campaign, we can actually run that for you, right? So if you want us to copy one of our campaigns that we know works and put your budget on it, then you receive those leads without the 50-50 split on the back end, right? So while everybody received leads on a daily basis with the 50-50 split on the back end, if you want to boost your pipeline even more and boost your pipeline with leads that do not have the 50-50 split on the back end, you can run your own ad campaigns, and you don't necessarily need to know how to do it. You can actually just have us copy our campaigns that we know work and put your budget on it. Now, maybe you're already buying leads from another lead source. Maybe you're getting leads from Zillow or LendingTree, or maybe you run your own ad campaigns on Facebook, whatever the case is. We give you your webhook here to import those into our system in real time. So on the import leads tab here, we give you the link and instructions to be able to bring those into our system in real time. So as soon as that lead comes in from that third party, it's inserted into our CRM instantly and automatically, and our CRM notifies you so you can call them and quote them and treat them like any other lead coming into our system, even though it came in through that third party. So essentially every way there is to work and receive leads, we have that built here into our system for you. In addition to that, we also help you generate your own leads. So everybody gets their own custom lead generating website. And we also provide you with promotional materials. So on your back end of your portal here. You'll have the portal here to be able to change your picture at any time and update different flyers, business cards for these different programs. You'll see here, the picture can be updated at any time. The QR code scanned to your website automatically, so everything is here laid out correctly, and you can update them at any time. So we also provide you with material to generate your own leads. Now, anytime you need support here at the Mortgage Calculator, it's only a click away. So in the top right-hand corner of your screen at all times, there's always the live support button. Now that takes you right into our Zoom room where we have our staff there to help you, whether it's an administrative issue or a processing issue. Our processors are in there as well, or a sales manager to help with a loan issue, maybe structuring a file, sending a quote, disclosing a loan. The loan support help we have there as well from the sales manager. So our whole staff is there in the Zoom room ready to help you. Anytime you need support, you can click this button and get face-to-face with our team to help you with anything that you need. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the next steps then. So when you're ready to move forward, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join. That's this page here, and sign up for the applicable plan. Whichever plan that works best for you is fine. Again, just to go over the differences here, our standard loan officer plan, the big difference is there's no monthly fees here, and you're making 150 basis points on self-gen, 75 basis points on company leads. As opposed to the loan officer unlimited side, you're basically paying the $299 a month tech fee as you go so that you can earn 100% of the commission, which is 275 basis points on self-gen, 137.5 basis points on company leads. So that's the biggest difference there between the two plans. What you're going to do is sign up for the plan that you want to join on. It's going to take you right to sign the initial compensation agreement. Now, don't worry, you don't have to sign it right then. It's going to email you a copy as well. So take your time and review everything. But once you do sign that initial agreement, that's what's going to kick off all of the next onboarding steps. Our onboarding team will reach out with all of the next onboarding steps for you. So go ahead and go to themortgagecalculator.com/join. Now, I know there may be some people tuned in who are not licensed yet. And if you are not licensed yet, we do have a training program so you can get your license. So if you go to themortgagecalculator.com/training, you can take that course, which includes everything you need to get licensed. It includes the 20 hours of national education that's required. It includes whatever state education that your state requires on top of that. And it includes test prep and practice exams so you can get ready to get your license. So if you don't have your license yet, you can get that at themortgagecalculator.com/training. And we actually reimburse you for the cost of not only the course, but also your NMLS fees on your first closed loan. So great opportunity there to get your license and actually get reimbursed for the cost if you take the course at themortgagecalculator.com/training. So again, if you're already licensed, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join to sign up for the applicable plan. And if you're not licensed yet, go to themortgagecalculator.com/training to get your license and come on board. All right, with that being said, we'll go ahead and stop recording and we will open it up to questions. If you have any questions,